We're in Shadow Ridge, which is coastal North San Diego County, and this is a short sale property which is represented by broker Troy Huerta of Real Estate Insight. And this is the address of the property is 1951 Courage. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. It's 1,254 square feet, and the listing right now is for sale at $299,000, and it is a short sale listing. And Troy, is there anything you'd like to add about this particular property?
Yeah, on this particular property, this was the original owner forced to sell due to financial circumstances, and it's great, clean. The yard on this is spacious, and for the value in Shadow Ridge is one of the best price homes in all of Shadow Ridge. It is a short sale, and we've already had contact with the banks, and they're excited to get a new owner in here as soon as possible.
That's awesome. Now, for more information on this listing, you can call Troy at 760-420-5498. Again, that number is 760-420-5498, or you can also go to his website for more information on this listing at shortsaleinsight.com. And Troy, we're going to go ahead and take a look at this property, so let's go ahead and go inside.